Good morning, students. I hope you're perfectly fine. Class 7th, today we'll be reading the poem Meadow's Surprises by Louis Brand Philip. It is a nature based poem. Before starting the poem, we should know what is a meadow. Meadow is a piece of grassland and offers a picturesque view as an open field of lush grass filled with butterflies and birds with room to run. Meadow provide areas for courtship displays, nesting, food gathering, and sometimes sheltering. So, meadow is a piece of grassland. The poet is elucidating upon the beauty of nature. He's saying that we should take out time and be close to nature. We should appreciate the nature. Meadows have surprises. You can find them if you look. We can only find the surprises once we have a keen eye to look and sharp ears to listen. Walk softly through the velvet grass and listen by the brook. The poet is referring over here grass to velvet. It means that the grass which is as soft and smooth as it is velvet. And listen by the brook. Brook is a river stream. So the poet expects us to sit by the river stream and understand the beauty of nature, the nitty-gritty the nature is blessed with. You may see a butterfly rest upon a buttercup and unfold its drinking straws to sip the nectar up. Now over here it is referring to a butterfly, that we can find butterflies in the nature, and where it is sitting on the buttercup. Buttercup refers to flower. And unfold its drinking straws. What is a drinking straw? These are very thin and small parts of the butterfly's mouth, which is used as straw to draw the nectar from the flower. So the poet is saying, once you're close to nature, you will see the butterfly sitting on the buttercup, and you will see how it unfolds its drinking straws and it sips the nectar. You may scare a rabbit who is sitting very still, though at first you may not notice him. When he hops, you will. Now over here you can see a rabbit. Now rabbit by nature is very calm and quiet, but you may frighten a rabbit. Why you will frighten a rabbit? By the sound of your feet. The rabbit will be frightened. You may scare a rabbit who is sitting very still. Though at first you may not see him. First you'll not be able to see him. But once he hops, once he moves, he hops, you will notice the rabbit. A dandelion whose fuzzy head was golden days ago has turned to an airy parachute that flutter when you blow. Now it is a flower. The poet is talking about a flower who belongs to a daisy family. First it was golden in color, but with the passage of time it dried up and it became light, and it can be blown away with the air, and that is why it is referred to as airy parachute. And what is the meaning of fuzzy head? Fuzzy head is actually a phrase, and it refers to the dandelion flower which are covered by soft fiber like hair. These flower has soft fiber hair, that is why it is referred to as fuzzy head. And now it's dried up, so it can be blown away like a airy parachute. They flutter when you blow. When you blow these dried up flower, it will flutter away. Flutter means move along rapidly and swiftly. Explore the meadow's houses, the burrows in the ground, a nest beneath tall grasses, the aunt's amazing mound. Now, the poet is saying that we should explore the meadow's houses. What are meadows' houses? These are the burrows or holes made by the animals like rabbit in the ground. So we should explore these things. We can explore the nest beneath the tall grasses. And aunt's amazing mound. What is mound? A natural hill. Can you see this mound? Aunt's mound. And you can also see a lot of burrows in the meadows. So the poet is expecting us that we should explore the meadow houses. Oh, meadows have surprises and many things to tell. You may discover these yourself if you look and listen well. Now, it is a suggestion given by the poet over here in the last stanza. Poet Louis Brand Philip is suggesting us that we should take out time with our hectic schedule and be close to nature, because nature is full of surprises. We are blessed with such a beautiful things. So we should take out time and be thankful to God for blessing us. He's saying you may discover these yourself. We have to discover it ourselves. If you look and listen well, if you have time to observe, time to look, and you have sharp ears to listen it well. So this was a beautiful poem, and it was basically elucidating and focusing on the nature, that in today's hectic schedule we should at least take out time and be close to nature. We should be thankful to God for blessing us with such a wonderful world around us. So I hope, students, this poem is clear. Thank you so much.